For excellent performance, what kind of outlook can you offer for the current financial year?
I can tell you that, when I talk about our company, our vision towards the 2027, 15,000 crores, an opportunity for हर घर से हर दिल तक वेल्सपन is there. चाहे वो इंडिया में हो or it's across the globe. When I talk about India, you have two brands, Wellspun and Spaces. You'll see them grow. You'll see the hospitality grow in India. You'll see our flooring business grow with the architects who are the influencers in that. And that's going to be around 1,700 crores if I talk about that. And when I talk about the global landscape, every door, whether it's in the retail landscape, whether it's in the hospitality or the institutional landscape, you will see Wellspun. So I just want to tell everybody here that it could be a blip here and there, but the target towards 15,000 crores stays. हर घर से हर दिल तक stays.
What kind of investments will it require in terms of your capital expenditure to reach that target?
So we already are investing. And I think if you talk about even in America, we've invested in a pillow plant and we're again going to be investing in a couple of them there. In the infrastructure there in India, we've just expanded our manufacturing into towels. That puts us into one of the largest capacities for towels in the world. You're talking about a flooring business. We are talking about, our few other investments that we are putting in to leverage that kind of an opportunity will continue to actually evolve as we go forward. Above all, I think the important aspect is R&D center, which we are investing in.
Okay.
Because consumers evolving. And we cannot just take them for granted. And I think today, as you talk about, and the conversations on AI and sustainability are really holding strong, that consumers also evolving. The needs are going to be very different. When you're buying on a quick commerce or online, the needs are very different. How are you looking at it? I think, and the whole circularity is going to be a very big deal. So for us, that's again a very big investment that we're doing in terms of R&D as well. So our investments will be strong. We'll continue to grow.